Hi everyone, it's Tarnished Treasures, and I have just woken up. I am drinking some coffee out of a mug that I have purchased this year for Christmas. I've been using it a lot, but I share that because I found two more mugs at Savers, and they are both Anthropology mugs. And I look for those at Savers. I love Anthropology mug designs, but they are expensive, and I would want one of every design, which would make it extremely expensive. So instead, I look at Savers because people do tend to donate them. I think I've found at least two. And then this day, I found two Christmas ones. The prices were so good. One was $1.99, the other was $1.49, and I had 20% off. So cheaper than the store. So they look brand new. There's no chips, cracks, crazing, stains, no issues whatsoever. And both of them still have that little sticker on there too. So I have washed them. This one says Cup of Cozy, and it's made to look very handmade. It's got an irregular top, and this looks like it's a linoleum carving design. And a nice heavy weight and an interesting handle. And then this one I love, has that old diner feeling, like the diner floor. So I'm going to give this one as a gift. It's got a little swag on it. The bottom has a little touch of mistletoe, and the inside has a wreath. And all that gold is perfect. So I really feel like somebody might have received these and didn't want them and donated them, and it made my day. So the rest of the things I found yesterday, which was my birthday. So I don't always wait until the 25th to film because I like to put the things away, clean them up, so they're not sitting out. And what happened yesterday is I drove by this church thrift store, had plenty of time to stop in, but I didn't. I wanted to get home and get the kids, and we were going to go to lunch for my birthday. Well, when I went home, I had some birthday money in my wallet, and I did not want all of that money in my wallet going to lunch. So I took it out and left a little. And the kids were so sweet. They said, "You can stop by the thrift store on the way to lunch. Like, it's your birthday, do what you want," which was so sweet. And when I got there, I didn't realize I was going to find so much stuff because they were doing Christmas in July, which I don't know if it was advertised or not. So I was so afraid that I was not going to have enough cash to buy everything that I wanted. Luckily, I was good with a few dollars left over. But there were things I didn't get because I didn't know if the kids were going to find some stuff to add to the total. So they're not open very much, but I think randomly they're open tomorrow. So luckily, Thursday to Saturday, I think I'll be able to go and get what I wanted. So what did I want that I didn't get? Two more of these tea towels, and in different designs. These were $2 a piece. I do have the little tag there. And it's all wrapped up to go. It's a little gift. You could just do a little spatula or wooden spoon, some kitchen soap, and that is a perfect, or tea, like a neighbor gift, Sunday school teacher gift, like somebody you just want to give something small to, but like useful things. Because you know what happens to your tea towels after a while. They get like stained and used looking, and it's so nice to put out something fresh, and then you can take the old towels and turn them into rags. So this actually has a gift tag attached, and the brand is Tag, which is one of my favorite designs, and I absolutely love finding those thrifting, even used. I just love them. So the design is this cookie recipe, and the other two were different cookies. I just love it. They also had some vintage cards, and I picked this stack up because I love the gingerbread and I love candy illustrations. And it was only $1 for probably, I don't know, close to 8. And I know I'm going to give one to my neighbor because her and her son love everything vintage Christmas. And it's Hawthorne Summerfield, made in the USA. I've never heard of that brand. And then a little sentiment in cursive on the inside. Very cute. They had like 4 or 5 other choices, but I really liked those. Then there was a candle. It was 50 cents. It's got a Christmas scene on it. It did have the lid, and it was brand new, but I used it last night because the scent is spring. So spring scent in a Christmas design. It doesn't make sense, but it smells wonderful. So I used it last night. Then for a quarter, and these were the first things that I saw, and I was like, oh, is this Christmas in July? And then I was like, only a quarter? Like, yeah. And they have the Murphy's price tag on there. So I love to find these. Haven't found them in a while, and the price was great. So then I found the treasure of the day, which I knew something was going to be there for the fact that I drove by and didn't stop in the first place. I just knew something was going to be waiting for me. I just can't believe that they had been open for 3.5 hours and these were still there. So I will insert the clip so you'll get to see how I discovered it. I stopped by the thrift store and I'm realizing it's Christmas in July, and look at what I just saw. And I don't even know what this is, but I'm excited to flip it over. Oh my gosh. I think that's a yes. Oh yes. Oh, I don't know if I have enough cash. Look, even better. They're not missing, they just fell out. And it's original boxes, excellent condition. So here they are. And when I saw these, it was $5. I'm gonna take that off now. When I saw the boxes and I saw the design, I thought, okay, there's a possibility that these could be vintage, but that also could be like some type of reproduction box. No, it's the real deal. It's got the Made in Japan sticker there. So this is, and I just love that it's with the original box. So of course I have the lid on upside down. It has like the broken cellophane, so I usually just take that off because that makes it look a lot better. The box is in fabulous condition. The bells are in great condition. Nothing smells old or anything like that. It is missing 3 bells, but the really cute ones are all there. And originally I thought it was missing more, but you saw when I looked down in the basket, there they were. There was a larger bell that was on the table, but it did not match these. So they are so cute. And then the other box was 8 because it's all there. And that basically makes each bell $1 and then the box thrown in. So that's what it looks like. And then here's the back where it's got the little stickers and says, you know, Made in Japan. But I didn't know what would be in here because it's not see-through like the other one. And it is a set of slightly larger bells. So I'll show you from above to get a better view because I don't want them to fall out. But it's got, I just can't believe it that they're all there. And then it's neat because I've never seen the Christmas tree. I think I've just really seen the Santas and the angels and those little like actually bell-shaped bells. Here, let me show you looking down. And they're all a little different. Like here, it probably looks like he's holding his toy sack, but there he's got a doll. Christmas trees. Little angels have different colors. Stockings, kind of the same. And then even the Santas are different. Angel, one has a book, one has hands praying. One has a muff, the other one, I don't know what she's holding. Maybe a caroling sheet of paper. So that's what was calling me back to the thrift store. And for $13 with the original boxes in fabulous condition. I went back to the store and both of the towels were there, and the one was marked $2 and the other one was actually marked $1. So I got a little bit of a deal. And let's see, this one is a recipe for sugar cookies. And this one is a recipe for holiday pinwheels.